How to redeem American Express gift card on Amazon. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can redeem an American Express or an AMEX gift card on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the American Express gift card actually works in a different method than your normal gift card, because when you want to redeem a normal gift card you go to the gift card redeem page, but if you want to redeem an American Express gift card you have to add that as a payment method. Now I'm going to show you, if one of these processes don't work, try the other. First thing what you want to do is just try to open the Amazon shopping application, then just go to this account page at the account icon. Then I want you to go to this your account option, and when you go to your account option, just scroll down over here. The first thing I want you to try is under the payment option that you would be able to find it over here. I want you to go to manage your gift card balance. So let me go ahead and look for that option. So right here you can see add a gift card to your balance. Tap on add gift card option, and then you'll be able to add a gift card code, and then tap on add gift card code to your balance. If this works for you, that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then however what you can try to do is you can just try to go ahead and then basically add a new payment method. So once you come to your account page, of course you have to look for the your payment section here. Once you go to your payment, just try to add a normal payment method like you would do and enter the American Express gift card details such as your name on card, card number. Tap on add a card, and then you'll be able to redeem them. So one thing you can try to do is, of course, as I showed you, just go to manage gift card balance and try to redeem as a gift card as you did earlier by tapping redeem another gift card, or you can just try to go to your payment section here, and then you can just try to choose to add a payment method if one of these methods don't work. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.